Hello, welcome back. This is Gabriel from NgahTech Group. So today we are going to be looking at how can we actually download or save our flyer after putting everything I want to input. I believe everything is perfect right now, and I've shown you everything that is need to be shown. And you can change the name of your flyer up here. Okay, let's put cleaning services. Okay, so once you are done, you see you can duplicate the flyers here. Okay, you can make it double. You can delete, or you can do whatever you want to do. You can lock it, depending on what you want people to see. You can hide it, as well. So that's what you can actually do here. So we're going to download one of these. Simply go to share, you choose download, you choose the type of file you want to share. Print is PDF is there, JPG is there, PNG. So we mostly use PNG because we're going to be sharing this information online. Just choose one page. Okay, we'll put that and then we'll download it. So it's going to download in the next few seconds, and I believe that is set, and we are ready to go. And now we have it inside our desktop. Look at how beautiful it is. Okay, so thank you very much. This is Gabriel once more from NgahTech Group. So today, please, if you have any question, can you get back to us? We are going to guide you on how to create beautiful flyers using Canva. Thank you and see you on our next video. If you have questions, if you have doubts on what you are doing, please kindly contact us and we're going to help you solve those doubts. Thank you and see you next time.